I'd like to add some more commands to my Quick Access toolbar. So what I'm going to do is click the button on the far right of the Quick Access toolbar called the Customize Quick Access toolbar. When I click this button, I'm able to choose the option More Commands. When I click More Commands, this dialog box appears. What we have on the right hand side are the buttons we currently have on our Quick Access toolbar, and what we have on the left hand side are what Microsoft deemed to be popular commands. I'd like to hit this drop down here and change popular commands to all commands. When I do so, this list now has all the commands available in Word. This is quite a huge list, and what I'd like to do is jump down to the command beginning with S. So I'm going to click somewhere in this list. On my keyboard, I'll press the key S to jump down to those commands beginning with S. There are a number of save commands, as you can see, and the one that I'm interested in is this one here, Save as Other Format, and you can identify it by the triangle on the far right side. I'm going to click on this command, Save as Other Format, and click the Add button to add this to my Quick Access toolbar, and here it appears at the bottom of the list. What I'd like to do is now move this command up so that it sits under the Save command and the two Save commands are together. To move it up, I'm going to use this button on the far right called Move Up. Each time I click it, I move this command up through the list of commands, and I'll keep clicking it until it's sitting under Save. I'd also like this command, Open Recent File, to sit immediately below Open, so I'm going to click my Move Up button and move this command up also. You may like to take some time to look through all the commands in Word and see what other commands you'd like to add to your Quick Access toolbar, simply using the Add button. And if you need to remove a command from your Quick Access toolbar, just acknowledge you do have a Remove button. But if I click OK, I now have a second button that I've added called Save as Other Format. This button is particularly helpful. It has a down triangle, and when I click that down triangle, it's helpful because it lets me save as other formats, such as a PDF file or an old version of Word, such as version 2003.